The leash jerked in her hand, taut and urgent, though nothing was attached. She stumbled along the moonlit sidewalk, heart pounding, every instinct screaming to let go. The pull grew stronger, dragging her toward the alley's black maw. She dug in her heels, nails biting into the empty collar at the leash's end. Whispers slithered from the shadows, cold breath brushing her neck. She tried to scream, but the leash yanked her off her feet. As she vanished into the darkness, the leash fell slack, coiling neatly on the curb, waiting for its next companion.